Hi you guys. Um, I'm going to do my haul of boxes today. And you'll be seeing cats probably and my son hollering because he's playing a game. Today is my Tame Wild box. This is for November. You'll see me in the same shirt because I have, November and December to do and stuff. So, yeah. This is my Tame Wild. This is Gaia's Apothecary. It comes with essential oil, which is tea tree, but I'm not going to show it to you because I took it out because it was starting to leak right there. But yeah. And there's that if you want to see. Pause and then read. And then here's some more. It comes with like a little first aid bag, and it has a little handle. It's kind of like canvas. It has a good zip. It's double lined, so that's nice. Let me see where the oil leaked on that, but it's alright. This here is a compress thing. You add it and then you can add it to wounds but not open. Just says do not apply to broken skin. It's like a medicine. So that comes with that. And then an herbal steam for sinuses and during cold season, flu and allergy seasons. And it comes with, sorry, I do have cats, a blend with that. And it's very mentholytic smell. We have those Skittles. And we have a calendula skin salve. And I will, ooh, it's already, yeah. I gotta get these in a cooler spot so they stop leaking. And yes. For cuts, scrapes, and burns. Baby girl, you do not need that. You ain't got no boo-boos. She is trying her dangest to get to it. This is Skittles. This is my son's cat. So, yeah, she's trying to get involved. So, that's everything that was in the box besides the essential oils for November. So, I hope, don't forget to rate, subscribe. I think that box is like $20 or $15 a month. I will put the information in the down bar. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thumbs up. Thank you guys.